everyone, I am in a Valentine swap in a Facebook group, and I told the girl, I was like, look, I'm really not into Valentines anymore, so I'm just going to give you a bunch of stuff. And she's like, okay, but what am I going to give you? I said, oh, I don't care. She's like, well, what about cars? I have all these things I'm never going to use. I said, you know what? Whatever you don't use, give to me. So I'm going to start filling her bag now. So we got these heart stickers I'm putting in there. Some more heart stickers. We got these love little stamps. And more heart stickers. We needed to give each other 14 things. Yeah, well, that is going to be a lot more than 14 things there. I love these cupcakes, but I'm just not into Valentine's anymore. These little hearts, I'm going to give her this heart lace. She's going to get that. She's going to get some foam hearts in these red and pink ones. And then I love these, but again, what am I going to do with them? 24 pieces, so she'll get 2 of those. We have some heart buttons. Another love. We have some Be Mine. The heart wax seals. And some more pretty hearts. And some more pretty hearts. And we have this cute fabric. I'm going to put that in there. And I guess I'll keep these because they were used. We got some more here. We have the ones from, what do you call it? Stampin' Up. We have these ones. I have a bunch of these. I'm not going to use them. I'm putting that in there. And I'm going to make her a pokey tool and a pen, I believe. So let me get that going. I'm going to put you on hold. Let me get those. Okay, I love these hearts. So I'm going to make her a pokey tool hearts. Oh, I could put you down, I think. I just put more ribbons in there too, heart ribbons and things. Oh, I also have to put a paper pack in there. I know I have Valentine pack that was never used. I can put that in there. All right, so let's make her a pokey tool. Let's see. I got these from Temu a while back, and they're really, really pretty. Let's do like a bunch of different colors, all hearts. And they fit into each other nicely, so that's good. Let's see. So pretty. Purple. Yellow. Maybe one more. All AB too. That's cute. All right, there's a stopper. Like I said, I don't use the glue because after a while it comes undone anyway. At least it does for me. So I just used a little stopper there. Okay, see, we made her a cute pokey tool. Put this on it. I feel bad because I have these beautiful glass hearts, but the hole is so tiny I'd have to bead wrap them. I can't like put them on a pen or a pokey tool, and I wish I could. Actually, why don't I just give them to her? I'm not going to wire them, but I'll put them in a little baggie for her. All right, and then I'm going to come back and we can put all the pretty shred and everything. Make it fun. So I'm going to put this in a baggie. I will be right back, guys. Hold on. All right, guys, here's all the goodies. I'm going to put some shred in here. Probably end up putting the whole thing because it's a big box. And then let's put these mesh. I do not buy these anymore because now they're $1.75. And for Christmas, Damien got me a bunch of them. I'm like, what are you doing? He's like, oh, you said you didn't want them anymore because they were $1.75. I said, yeah, that doesn't mean I want you to buy them for me. I still don't want them. And he's like, well, I got them. So he got them. So now I'm gonna use them up. So just put these in there. Let's cut them all up. Going all in my craft room. They're bouncing everywhere, everyone. I'll have to search for them after this video. I'm going to use this whole thing. I can't be having all... I have a huge box, right, for all packing material for like swaps and giveaways and challenges and things like that. Happy Mail. And I got so much of this tube in there that it's taken up all the space. And it's like, you know, I'm just going to use it, all of it in one go because this is ridiculous. I need more space in there. I think there's more on the floor than what's in this pack. That'll be fun. Ah, good enough. I can't be going nuts with this. Alright, so that's all in there nice. Alright, and I'm going to put these hearts in there. Now these shed, but, you know, whatever. They're still pretty. So those are going to go in there. There we go. And now I'm going to call it done, guys. So I'm going to pick up the millions of pink that are now on the floor. Put it back in the basket, in the box, and hopefully she'll be happy when she receives this. Because I'm glad to get it out of my house. So this is for my Valentine swap. I don't know what she's going to give me. Even if she can give me things that aren't, you know, they can be Valentine colors, but not Valentine, you know. So I don't know, and I don't really care either. So she can give me things totally not related. I really don't care. I just want this out of my house. I want it to go to good use, and hopefully she likes everything. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. I will catch you next time. Bye.